If you want to be a Python programmer, then you need to know foundation first, because Python is a language which is full of block of code, and these blocks, all the steps, are the foundations of any programming language. So in order to understand the foundations of Python, first let's understand what a Python is. Python is a programming language which is of OOP. OOP, that means object oriented programming, interpreted programming, general purpose programming language, high level language to be used. It is portable, it is open source. These are the blocks of the Python definition. And what are these words or blocks means? Let's understand with this table. In the left side we have written the term, and what these terms means are we have in the right side. What I said, Python programming language is a high level programming. What does means? Easy to understand. That means it is very simple to write, simple to read, and simple to understand. Meaning a human can understand easily, read it easily, write it easily. That is what high level means. Interpreted means run line by line. What does this mean? If you have 3 lines of code here written, first the hello world, second this one, and the third one this one. If you run this, you will have 3 answers. That means first code result first, second code result at second, and third code result at third. That is what interpreted means. Run code line by line. And OOP means object oriented programming, meaning it creates a workflow, it creates a structure using the class and object. What does this class and objects means? We'll see as we go further. Now, general purpose. General purpose means used in many domains. Any domain you can use it. That is what general purpose. Dynamically typed, that means you no need to declare what data type of the variable you go to define there. No need to declare this, because system can declare it automatically. So no need to think about that. System will do your job. Now portable. Portable means you can run Python on any operating system. You can use it on your Windows operating system, Mac OS operating system, Linux operating system, Raspberry operating system. You can use it on any operating system. It will not obstruct. And what open source means? Open source means there is no license required. You can use it free. No money, no cost. Use it free. Till how long you want to use, it is up to you. This is what a Python programming language is. In short, you want to define in a single line, you can say as an answer, Python is a general purpose, high level, OOP, open source, portable, interpreted programming language. But the other programming languages are different. It runs code line by line, but other programming language by using semicolon at the end, like C++ or Java. But in Python, new command will run by the new line. So this is the definition. Now, where to be used? It is used in machine learning, artificial intelligence, mathematics, script writing, web development, software development, and many more. For usage, you can go googling, search what are the uses. You will have multiple uses of Python. And nowadays, I think no big company or tech company is here not using Python. Every company using Python. Every company across the world using Python, because Python is a very simple language to understand. A novice can understand, a layman can understand within a few days and start working over that. And practice makes perfect. No practice, nothing. And Python language is created in 1991 by Gude van Rossum. There are many Python versions comes into the market, but now currently we have Python 3.14. So go and start downloading 3.14 version and install it on your local machine. It will work on any machine. If you have Windows, if you have Mac OS, if you have Linux or Raspberry OS, go and start downloading it and installing it on your own machine and start practicing. Python can also be used on the server side to create the web application. It can also be used along the software to create the workflows. It can also connect to the database. It can read and modify files. Python can be used to handle a big data, large data, and perform complex calculation, complex mathematics, complex statistics. It can be used for rapid prototyping or the production ready software development. So this video is all about the definition of Python and where we can use the Python. We'll see you in the next video. Till then,